Before nodding to his goons, Aisha was thrown out of the car, and as she stumbled to her feet, she knew her life would never be the same. She had crossed a line, and there was no going back. The next morning, Aisha's editor was found dead, and she knew she was in grave danger. She packed a bag, said goodbye to her loved ones, and went into hiding. From the shadows, Aisha continued to work on the story, using every trick in the book to stay one step ahead of Khalid Aziz's goons. She knew it was only a matter of time before he came after her again, but she was ready. As the days turned into weeks, Aisha's investigation began to unravel the threads of Khalid Aziz's empire. She gathered evidence of his corruption, his money laundering, and his connections to the underworld. Finally, the day arrived when Aisha was ready to publish. She knew it wouldn't be easy, but she was prepared to take on Khalid Aziz and his powerful friends. The story dropped like a bombshell, and the repercussions were immediate. Khalid Aziz was arrested, his assets were frozen, and his empire began to crumble. Aisha emerged from hiding, her name emblazoned across the headlines. She had taken on the powerful and won, but she knew the fight was far from over. As she looked out at the city, Aisha knew she had found her calling. She was a journalist, and she would continue to fight for the truth, no matter the cost. The story was far from over, but one thing was certain: Aisha Khan was ready for whatever came next.